See, this is Coy McKenzie right there and watching this video. He's going around in circles. Coy, why are you going around in circles? Because you're an idiot.
Ready?
Okay, go. Oh, that sucks.
Let's see the big, small one do. Bring the big one down.
Okay, we're going to pause here for a little bit. I will be right back. Now we're back. I think.
Ready?
Okay, what you got? The small one and the big one, huh? The small one? Okay, here's our cat. Come move, where's your shot? Here's our cat, shut up!
Ready?
They're so like,
You fucking know.
could you say swear word? You know they're gonna put that on YouTube. I'm gonna send this to my cousin. What? Wait, try that, Dylan. You suck. Goddamn windy out here. Art, is it, Cody? That? Okay, people have to stop here. This is still my McKenzie. This is still my kids' video at my house at. Can't tell you guys. You guys gonna know where Track Me is. So, yeah, there's my garage. There's my bowl.